At our distribution centre, we manage all orders, e-commerce, seasonal collections, replenishment and returns, centrally within a single logistics hub. We aimed to consolidate our entire warehouse into one location, but needed the right solution to make it happen. We chose SSI SCHAEFER's RackBot solution for its flexibility and scalability. By simply adding or removing robots, we can dynamically adjust capacity based on demand. In the first phase of this project, we focused on centralized seasonal collections. In the past, high sales volumes in indirect distribution created strong seasonal fluctuations that a standard system couldn't handle. We needed a solution that could absorb these peaks efficiently. Phase 2 aimed to create an omni-channel warehouse capable of serving all distribution channels: e-commerce, store replenishment, seasonal collections and outlet stores. Our primary goal is to sort returns quickly so that they can be restocked and resold without delay. Our fixed storage capacity is 7,900 boxes, and we can handle up to 650 boxes per hour. With this solution, we can handle 150,000 units per week in 2 shifts. The biggest advantage of RackBots is their flexibility, without productivity losses. Additionally, there are no capacity disruptions. The system is easy to implement and operate, and our teams have had a consistently positive experience. The e-commerce boom in 2020 reshaped our distribution strategy. As a result, adaptable solutions like RackBots have become essential for Desigual to manage fluctuating demand across all distribution channels.